Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I got these cute little itty bitty nails. If you want to see how I got them, then keep on watching.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back. Back.
Okay, so my plan is to wear some shorter nails for a little while since I'm kind of doing some things at work that require me to have shorter nails at the moment, and it also gives me an opportunity as well to have them like just plain acrylic or a core powder and then use our gel polishes. So that is the plan and the hope, and yes, let's hopefully hope that I can do that. But anyway, I thought that I would share with you how I created my set. So on my left hand, I actually did like apply my tips and sculpt and just do those freehand. However, I decided with my non-dominant hand and doing my right hand, I wanted to try out the dual forms again. I have used them before and I did enjoy using and working with them, and I found them super easy to use when doing my other hand, because it just saved up so much time on shaping and filing. I literally just had to file that free edge. So yeah, I really wanted to share it with you guys for some of you that may struggle or that may want to try something different. So I'm going ahead first and I've prepped my nails. As you can see, everything is good to go, and I'm coming in with the Nailmate Glitter Planet Easy Tips in clear, and I'm just applying those to my nails with the instant nail glue. Now, as always, I will leave links to products in the description box down below, so feel free to check them out if you want to, and also use my code NINJA5 for 5% off. Please also don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Share this video, it really means so much to me, and I would love if we can get my content out there a little bit more and get a bit more people seeing it. I mean, the views seem to have gone down a little bit on YouTube, if anybody hadn't noticed. I mean, I think everyone's noticed really, but yeah, it really would help if you can, share and like and comment and just interact with me, and I will be replying to you guys as well. So now we have the easy tips applied and ready to go. We are going to be trimming them down, and I'm using the outer space tip cutters. I will be removing most of this length, but it's one of those things. It is a little bit sad to remove all that length, but anyway, never mind, hey? So yeah, I'm just coming in and trimming all of that dear old length off. Goodbye. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. Anyway, moving on. So of course, at that point, if you wanted to leave your nails squared off, that's absolutely fine. Feel free to do that. But I wanted kind of a nice natural almond, baby almond shape. So I'm coming in with the 180 grit nail files, and I'm just refining that free edge and rounding it off. So this is how the tips look once I've finished like blending them in, shaping them, and everything is prepped, ready to go, and we can start applying our product and using the jewel forms. So the jewel forms come in a variety of sizes to fit your nails, and you just want to measure them up and see which one fits the best. You do want it to have kind of an edge to edge fit. You don't want it overlapping onto your skin or your side walls or anything like that, because then you're going to get some product that may kind of overspill. You want to keep it contained on your nail plate. So you want to get a bead of acrylic and apply that into the jewel form, smooth it out, and don't feel like you have to really thicken them up or bulk them up, because you don't. You just need a little bit of product, because once you apply that to the nail and so you press it towards the cuticle and kind of come down with it, it's going to create the shape that it needs. It doesn't need a lot of product in for it to create the right structure, and because the right structure is already kind of molded into the jewel form, and it's not always the thickness of the nail that does create that strength, it's having the correct structure, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So you could have super credit card thin nails. As long as that structure is correct, they are going to be strong and last. So yeah, that's exactly what is built into the jewel forms. The structure and the apex is all in the correct place. So it doesn't need like filling to the brim with product, because then you're just going to end up with super thick nails. And the idea of these is to kind of get a natural looking finish. So I'm going to continue and repeat I have just cracked my finger. That was terrible. Literally cracking bones or anything like that goes through me, and I just like put my hands together, but my finger must have got on a funny angle and it just cracked. I don't know if you heard it, but damn, Daniel, help. Okay, I listened back. You definitely heard the crack of my finger. I'm slightly traumatized, but anyway, yeah, I'm just going to repeat that process on all of the nails, and then I'll be back for the next step. So now I have applied them and I've allowed them to set. I'm just going to come in and twist side to side, and that will release the jewel form from the nail, and it will look this fabulous already. Like, oh my god, it looks fabulous. Look at that structure. Honestly, beautiful. And because we applied the tips underneath, you're not going to get that bulge of product under the free edge of the nail. So that's what I really love about it. I was literally just talking about that today. Applying nails with jewel forms is great. Having that bulging bit of product underneath, not so great. So to combat that, you can just apply tips as normal, and then obviously you're going to file the free edge into shape and you won't have that bulky area underneath. So this is how that looks. And next I'm coming in and I'm just going to file, like I said, the excess products that's overhanging the nail tip and file the nails into shape. I do go ahead and just blend in that cuticle area as well, because I'm going to be applying gel polish. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's super natural, thin. Really? Emails at this time of the evening? It's like 12:35 a.m. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.